Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you something interesting. Yes, very interesting topic. You know what? If you want to get fluency in English, what you have to do, first you have to do, take any random topic and start speaking about it. Whatever the knowledge you have, whatever the words coming, you just speak it out. अब बस उसको बोलना शुरू करो. So this is the topic today, and the today's topic is traffic. Okay, so let's start. I hope you all are doing good. I am also great here. Understood? So please guys, don't skip the video. Watch it completely, and definitely I must tell you guys, definitely you will understand so many, you will get to know so many new words by watching videos only, that how to speak English, what we can do to improve. No, you have to take one or more topic, random topic you take, and decide how to speak, what to do, what not to do, how we can take fluency in English. Okay, so today's topic, traffic. In this videos I am going to tell you about traffic, how you can improve your English by if I keep watching videos, by practicing only you can speak, by watching videos only you can't speak English, because this is a language now, you have to speak. So today I have chosen one random topic, and you know what the topic is? Topic is about traffic. See, when you stuck in traffic, now the first thing what you think? The first thing what you think on that time? On that time you think, oh my god, what is this traffic? How I can clear from this? So on that time when you are stuck in your traffic, whatever the planning you are doing, whatever the thinking coming into your mind, that sometimes some people just sitting like this and listening to music. This all today I am going to tell you, that if you are stuck in traffic, and how you can explain it in English, what you can think on that time, and to explain the most important thing, that which words, what we can say about traffic. Understood? Because see, if you will be keep watching only na, like in Hindi, let me tell you one example here. I'll put some example. See, in Hindi what we do, if I'll get anything, अगर मैं आपसे कुछ कह रही हूँ तो मुझे सोचना नहीं पड़ता ना, आई एम नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट इट. What I have to do, I have to just keep talking. I have to speak more and more and more. Like that only I am speaking now. You have to speak like that. Like English conversation, it doesn't mean that I am talking to you. Who are you? What is your name? What is your father doing? Where do you live? It's not only English conversation. It's a just discussion that we are talking. But like if we want fluency in English, so on that time what we have to do, we have to just select any random topic, and we have to keep talking about that. Whatever the things, whatever the imagination, what are the words we are coming into our mind, we have to just pick out. Understood? So before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, share. At least you guys share these videos. Understood? Understood. Very good. So today what I am going to tell you, I am going to tell you about traffic. So when we are talking about traffic, what is the first thing came into your mind? What is the first thing came into your mind? That stuck, po, that horn sounds, busy road, full of crowd, sweating. This all came into our mind now when we are talking about traffic. Some vehicles are here, bike are here, so many things. Random people are walking on the road. These all things came into our mind. Understood now? So when we are stuck in traffic, what the important thing we have to do? What we have to do? The first thing what we have to do, we have to keep patience. धैर्य धारण करके रहना पड़ता है. Understood ना? What we have to give? We have to keep patience. We have to keep calm, cool. गुस्सा तो बहुत आ रहा, मन कर रहा सामने वाले का सर फोड़ दूँ, but we can't. We can't do. हम लोग बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकते ये काम. So what we have to do? We have to keep patience. धैर्य रखना. So what does it mean? What is the meaning of patience? Patience. And the spelling of patience? Patience. Okay? So what you have to do? You have to keep patience. You know what is the meaning of patience? Patience means how much you can keep calm yourself. How much you can keep like शांत हो जाओ. गुस्सा तो बहुत आ रहा है. Literally जब हम ट्रैफिक में होते हैं ना, वी आर फुल ऑफ एग्रेसिव नेचर, बट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू कीप calm, like patience, we have to keep patience. So patience means, if you have to define patience, how you can define patience? The quality of being able to keep calm and not get angry. गुस्सा नहीं होना है, no 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 no. The quality of being calm and not to get angry when there is a difficulty or you have to wait a long time. It means you have to wait for a long time, even the difficult situation in front of you. आप ट्रैफिक में तो फंसे हो, you are stuck in traffic. You are going late for your office, you are going late for school, maybe you have to rush to the hospital. So many situations in front of you, you have to wait, but still what you have to do, you have to keep waiting. No, you have to wait. You are waiting for the green light, green signal, then only you can move from that traffic just now. So on that time what you have to do, you have to keep patience. Understood now? So what does the traffic teach? The first thing, the traffic teaches the first thing, that we have to keep patience. And the patience means the quality of being able to stay calm and not get angry when there is a difficult situation. Or what did I say? When there is a difficult situation and you have to wait for a long time. Understood? So what did I say? So on that time you have to keep patient. See guys, I can speak each and every words in English, but it doesn't mean that you will understand. I have to mix up, because when you are in the learner stage, no, when you are in the grown up stage, like आपको जब सीखनी होती है, when you have to learn, you want mix up, because that will make clarification to your mind. Okay, so what the first thing we learn from traffic? Keep patience. Like this. Yes, नहीं विश्वास है, आप रामदेव बाबा का कोई आसन कर लो उस टाइम पे. Okay, so this is the important thing, that you have to keep patience. Understood? Now see, this is the random topic that I am discussing here. That will be clear to you, and you will get to know that how we can speak French in English, how we can get fluency in English. Okay, yes, that's great. So the next thing is that diligence. You know the meaning of diligence? What does it mean? Diligence means the quality of doing work carefully and thoroughly. Okay, so the meaning of diligence is the quality of doing work carefully and thoroughly. See, when you are stuck in traffic now, your mind is in aggressive mode. Literally, when there is a jam of 1 hour, 2 hours, anyone can be angry, even I also. So but on that time what you have to do, you have to keep patience. धैर्य रखना होगा, धैर्य धारण करो पुत्र पुत्री, आपको इससे आगे जाना है. Okay, so on that time what we have to do, we have to do diligence. We have to keep diligence also. So when you are seeing, you are focused on the signal. Yes, this is the signal. What you have to do, you will be waiting for your green signal, yellow signal. On that time, when the green signal, you have to rush to the hospital, you have to rush to the office, you have to rush to the school, wherever you are going. It's your, I don't know where you are going. So on that time what you have to keep, you have to keep diligence. You will be doing your work very carefully. You are must focused. आप फोकस रहते हो ना, जब सिग्नल होगा ग्रीन, मुझे फटाक से यहाँ से भागना है. ओके, सो आप अपने काम को उस वक्त क्या करते हो, बिल्कुल केयरफुली आराम से कर रहे होते हो, वेट कर रहे होते हो, धैर्य धारण कर रहे होते हो. सो एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट वी कैन लर्न फ्रॉम ट्रैफिक इज दैट टेक अ स्मॉल स्टेप टू मोर सक्सेस. आपको छोटे छोटे स्टेप लेने होते हैं. लाइक आप इस पड़ाव पे रुकते हो ना, लाइक इस स्टेप जहाँ पर भी आपको वो बैरियर होता है वहाँ आपको रुकना होता है, ट्रैफिक सिग्नल है वो आपको फॉलो करना है, वो एक एक स्टेप होता है. दिस इज वन ऑफ द स्टेप टू गो फॉरवर्ड. आपको सक्सेस के पास जाने के लिए, सक्सेस तक पहुंचने के लिए वो छोटी छोटी सीढ़ियाँ होती हैं. सक्सेस इट डजंट मीन यू विल गेट द क्राउन. डोंट थिंक अबाउट दैट गाइस, दैट यू विल गेट द क्राउन. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, व्हाट यू हैव गेटिंग सक्सेस हियर. If you are rushing to the office, you will get success there, na? By rushing to the office, by reaching your office, you will get. You don't have to get scolded by your boss. So this is your success here. So when you are stuck in traffic, you are keep thinking, yes, I have to go to my office, I have to go to my office. So on that time, what you have to do? You have to keep patience. You will be careful to your work. You will be careful to the traffic signal. So this is the success. The success is waiting on back to. आपके पीछे के दरवाजे से वो सक्सेस आपके पीछे पीछे आ रहा है. So you have to wait. Understood? 3 things I said here. What did I said here? The first thing, keep patience. Keep calm. What? How much you can keep calm? Yes, keep calm. The second thing, diligence. The quality of doing carefully and thoroughly your work. And the last thing, that take slow step. छोटे छोटे स्टेप मेरे को लेना सिखाती है ट्रैफिक. जब आप सीख रहे होते हो, जब आप जा रहे होते हो ना, on that time. Okay, so this is the random topic that I selected today to tell something about traffic. You know, you all just take any random topic and you keep talking about that. This is the traffic, that virtue of the road that teaches us in many ways. The traffic jam is very painful. Yes, this is very painful. But in spite of this pain, we are learning something. On that traffic, while stucking on the traffic, we are getting something. We can learn from that traffic also. So this is the best thing. This is the best thing, that you decide any random topic like this curtain, because you have to keep fluency. You want to learn English now, you want to speak English. So English speaking means fluency, like we speak Hindi. The same thing we have to keep speaking English also. So fluency is the most important thing. You just in meanwhile you just forget about grammar, you just forget about vocabs. The best thing that you have to keep in mind, that you have to fluency. You have to keep fluency. So if you choose any random topic, whatever the things coming in your mind, whatever the words coming in your mind, guys, just keep talking, keep speaking out. अब बस उसको बोलना तो शुरू करो भैया. देखो वो कैसे चट मार के बाहर निकलती है सारे words. Then you will give fancy on words. Okay. So tell me, let me tell you one more thing. See, if I am telling you one word, curtain. Simple word you decide. Small words you try to take it, and you just keep talking about that. Okay. So I hope you like this traffic today. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Thanks for watching, and keep like, share, subscribe as much you can do, guys. Okay. And please don't skip the video. Please watch it full. Bye bye. Take care.